Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how can we send email when a DAG fails or when a retry happens or when a failure happens. So let's start. So we have this Airflow configuration. We have this SMTP section and we have SMTP host which we need to set. In our case we are going with Gmail, so we will type smtp.gmail.com and we set this port value to 587, which is used with this host. Now these two values will remain the same. And now the next thing is SMTP user and SMTP password. So you can type your Gmail here, Gmail or email ID here, and then you can generate the app password for it and paste it here without any spaces. Or you can do another thing. For example, you can enable this variable email connection ID, or if you don't see it, you can type it here and set it to SMTP default and save this config file for now. And let's go to Airflow and in connections, let's create SMTP underscore default, and this will be email and host is already defined in our config file. Port has already been defined as well. We need the login details, so you can type the email here and you can paste the password here. Now this app password is not your email password or your Gmail password. This is something else. And if you go to this website, myaccounts.google.com/app passwords, you can create and generate an app password, which is a private thing, so you don't need to share with anyone. And you can see that here I have already generated it, and try to remove the spaces from it, and then you can see and you can paste that here in the password section, and then you can save it. Once you do this step, you can restart your Airflow. The next thing is you go to your DAG file and you define the email list which you want your emails to send to. So I have defined only a single email. You can use a comma separated list of emails. So Airflow will send the emails to all of them. And I want to receive email on failure and email on retry. So I have made both these two true, and I have created this basic task which will definitely fail because we need to fail and retry and then test whether we can receive the emails or not. So I have set the retry to 1 and retry delay to 1 so we can test all these things quickly. Let's save it and then go to our DAG. Let's activate the DAG and go to this DAG and trigger our DAG. So let's wait for it for the retry and the failure. Okay, it should fail. Okay, it is retrying and trying to rerun it for the second time. Now it has failed. Let's check whether we have received both the emails for retry or failures or not. Let's go to our email. Okay, you can see we have received email for retry and the failure as well. So this is how we do it. But if you want to see how can we send emails on success, then that's a separate thing. We do it by callbacks that Airflow provides. So we will see that things in the later videos. So thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, then don't forget to share this with your friends. Thank you.